she taught me how to like put the
Pad.
pad.
You're a woman now.
I'm
like,
a woman now,
technically.
huh?
Did it happen to you? Were you embarrassed? This is what happens to girls. I never got a talk from my mom. It's gonna be for 5 days a month. I thought it's gonna be like once a year or something.
It was so embarrassing because I walked out of the class like that. Then
Yeah.
you'll just like walk and then the friend
Yeah.
will walk behind you and like,
Yeah.
nahi kuch
Kuch
nahi
nahi
hai.
hai.
I have the worst
Yeah.
period stories. Now I'm like, if I can do a summit on my second day of my period, I think I can do anything. We can talk about cycle syncing.
So have you ever picked a fight with your boyfriend? The remote work system has
Crazy.
helped out so much.
That's an interesting question.
That's so true, Isha. Oh my god. Hi guys, so welcome back to We Got This. I'm Madhura and this is Isha. This is your go-to place for unfiltered girl talk and having casual conversation. Today's podcast is that time of the month, a chill chat on periods. It's still a very much talked about topic, but not enough. And just our casual conversation on it. Okay, I'm gonna ask you a few questions and
Okay.
let's take it from there. What's your first ever memory of getting your period?
Oh, the first, actually the only memory.
Only memory of getting
Okay.
your first period.
Oh, it was not like a disgusting thing.
Oh.
So I was thankfully at home when I got my first period.
Oh.
And I knew about it because we were taught things in school. We had this session in school.
Really?
Yeah,
When
we
did you
did.
get your first period?
I think I was in my sixth standard.
Oh,
So
you were before
sixth or
that.
seventh.
You had that session because we had that session in 9th standard.
I think we had it in 7th because I remember they gave us a sanitary napkin ka packet after the session, like a small stay free packet. And then all guys were very curious what that was and what the session was about. But yeah, I didn't get it anywhere like outside of my house. So I woke up one day and there was just I freaked out because there was blood.
Really?
Yeah. Like even though I knew, but like
You knew?
I knew about the period thing.
Okay.
But I didn't experience it until that day, right? So there was, if there's like blood, I'm going to freak out.
Yes.
And thankfully, like my dad wasn't home. Otherwise, I would have told my mom and dad like freaking out.
Yeah.
Oh my god,
yeah.
there's blood.
Yes.
But my mom was at home, so she taught me how to like put the
Pad.
pad, even though I
Yeah.
knew. But I was like, okay,
Yeah.
little
Oh
weirded
God.
out. I don't know if this is in other culture, but in Indian culture, it's like a very big thing to
Yeah,
get your
it's-
period. I don't know
yeah.
if it's even in your house, but then my aunt came home, my maushi, and she got me like fruits and stuff, and I
Wow.
didn't know what was happening.
Wow.
So it's like a very that okay, the girl has like grown up now.
Yeah, you're a woman now.
I'm
like,
a woman now.
technically.
Huh? So it is celebrated.
Yeah.
Like not in a bad way, but like okay, now you're a grown up woman.
Yeah, that's great. That's good
Yeah,
to
so it
know.
was like it was not bad.
But you, yeah, even I got my period in around 6th, 7th. I think 6th ke summer vacation mein I got my period. I don't know. I have these really bad cramps, right? So back then I had no idea what is happening. So I thought I'm getting like loose motions.
Oh.
And because it was cramping, I thought, and it's very similar, like your loose motions ka pain and your periods ka pain is borderline same. I can, for me at least, yeah, I can always like say that those pains are similar, but that's what I was thinking was happening. And then later I realized that that's not happening, and told my mom. And yeah, she taught me how to use the pad, and yeah, I was very embarrassed for some reason. I don't know. Did it happen to you? Were you embarrassed?
Yeah.
For some, why were we embarrassed?
I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, my thought process of my, take on periods has changed so much. When I got my period, I think I was very, very embarrassed of telling people that I have my period again.
Yes.
Like I will never let anybody have an idea. I told my mother not to tell anybody. Okay, like you cannot tell this to Ajji or you cannot tell this to Maushi, not at all. But obviously, she told immediately to Maushi and Ajji, and
My daughter is grown up now.
yeah. And I get a call from my Ajji and she's like,
Congratulations.
I'm like, no, what? Congratulations for what? This did not. I was in denial. Okay, so yeah, that's my memory of periods. How did you get the talk, or did it just happen? From my parents, I never got a parents in the sense my mom. I never got a talk. Ki this is going to happen to you, or this is what happens to girls. I never got a talk from my mom. But again, there was a talk between my friends, right? Like in friends group, everybody was asking, did you
We
get
would
your
discuss
period?
about this.
Yeah. And some of my friends had already gotten their periods, so I had an idea. But when I got it, it was a surprise, or like not what I was thinking it to be. It was never told to me that you're gonna have cramps, or it's gonna be for 5 days a month. I thought it's gonna be like once a year or something. Probably, I had no idea. Any horror stories from PT periods or white skirts?
Oh my god, yes, yes.
Huh.
I have one story. I used to be super cautious and I used to like double protect when we had PT days
Huh.
because white skirt.
Yeah.
But there was this one day, so I was in my greenhouse and we used to have skirts. So I
No.
had like a green
Green
skirt.
skirt.
And then a few of my friends told me that there's stain. And I was so embarrassed that I think
Oh.
I also cried in the washroom that what am I supposed to do with this now?
Yeah.
But then thankfully there are like plates right on the skirt. So I
Yes.
just dragged that thing in front of me and then I was just covering it with the plates and then I had to change that entire pad
Oh.
routine. It was so embarrassing because I walked out of the class like that.
Oh
That's when
my
my friends
God.
noticed that there is a stain. So probably the entire class saw me
Yeah.
in the stain.
I
It's
mean,
bad.
if this happens to us right now, it's not at all a big deal.
No.
But that time, I cannot even imagine you had to go through that. I mean, I would not have left my classroom ever. Like
Shit.
till I'm like sure that everybody else has left the premises
Hmm.
of the school. I will not. I would have like stayed in
Yeah,
the.
I always used to be super cautious. Ki, okay, every time I would like get up, I would tell my friends, okay, just check karna na if there's any stains. And
Yeah,
that's a very girl thing.
yeah,
That's a
yeah,
very
yeah.
cute thing. I feel
Even we
ki,
do it today also.
yeah,
Like,
yeah, we do it
please
now
check.
also. Okay, please check कुछ stain वेन तो नहीं है. And then you
Yeah.
just like walk and then the friend
Yeah.
will walk behind you and like
Yeah.
नहीं कुछ
कुछ
नहीं
नहीं
है.
है 95% of the time it's never की है 5% की हाँ भाई अभी
जाओ. You are embarrassing yourself.
I remember this one time when it was not when I was little, okay. I used to be very cautious, like extremely cautious because I was too embarrassed of my periods, okay. So I was in office and I was wearing this kurti and my periods are not that heavy, okay. So I don't have to like keep on checking. It's not that. I mean, I'm not used to that. You know your flow and then you know
Yeah.
कि कुछ हो सकता है या नहीं. It's like that. And that day I was not at all cautious. My kurti got ruined from behind. Like it was a big stain, and I was wondering how did this happen. I told my friend to get a new kurti because the kurti was ruined. So she got a kurti from a store, and then I changed. So it was not embarrassing because nobody came to know about it.
Still,
But
at least no
yeah,
one saw that.
but at least everybody thought, why am I in the bathroom for such a long time? Till that friend came back from the store, I was in the bathroom.
I have another horror story, and you were a part of it. It
Oh
was not
yeah! Oh
horror,
my
it
god!
was not embarrassing, but it was horror for me.
Horror.
So we were,
God, this is worse. You have the worst stories.
I have the worst
Yeah.
period story. So we went on a Himalayan trek 2 years ago,
Yeah.
and we both calculated our period dates.
Yeah.
I have little PCOD issue, so I probably miscalculated my
Yeah.
days, and I got my period on the second day of our trek, and the third day was like the summit day. If you have ever done a Himalayan trek, you know how it is.
The summit is the last day where you do the most physical work, okay? And then you have to get up at 2 or 3 a.m. in the morning.
Yeah.
Huh? It's
And I could see the mountain. We all
Yeah.
could see the mountain that we had to climb the
Yeah.
next day, waking up at 2 a.m. and we started at 4 a.m. And I got my period like the evening before that. And I had her and I had three more of my guy friends. And I cried in front of these guys. I was like, I don't know what to do because I can't go down. And I could see the mountain and I was like, I cannot
God.
possibly climb that. It
Yes.
was horrible.
And I still cannot understand how you managed to do the summit. Like
I don't think I
finish the
had
summit.
I don't think I
You
had any
had,
choice.
yeah, you did
I had
not
no
have a
choice.
choice, but my God, it was commendable, and I was feeling so worried about her, like how is she going to do that? But yeah, again, when we don't have any option on our periods, we tend to do those things, but
Yeah,
it's a
and on
toll.
my second day, like my second day is the worst. It is the
Mm.
worst. And thankfully, I gave my bag. So we usually carry our entire big luggage on our back.
Mm.
So I spoke to my trek leader and I just gave it to him. I was like, I cannot carry this.
Yeah, yeah,
And I did not pee. Remember, I did
yeah.
not pee the entire summit day. When
I know.
we got down after our summit, that is when I peed.
Peeing
Oh my
in
god.
weird places on when your period is going on is a big task, and sometimes you have to. I don't have to go through. I don't want to go through that ever. Like peeing in weird places.
Also, if you are on the mountain or if you are like traveling, you're not supposed to throw your pads anywhere.
Yeah.
Um, so I
Carry
had to carry my pad.
carry
Oh
the
my
bag.
god, that was the most disgusting thing I've
Yeah.
ever done in my life. You know, there was this one summit wala time where we were crossing two mountains.
Hmm.
So we were going from one mountain to the other, and there was like this one big narrow patch. When we were
Oh my
walking,
God, yes.
and I just saw this side, and I thought I was going to like fall down क्योंकि मेरा चक्कर ये थे because I was already like full, my blood was going out. And I was just seeing here and then I was like, no, I need to focus. So I think Gau or Shubhank was with me, walking with me. They were like, Isha, tu bas straight chal. You don't look here and there. I love when guys are like so supportive and
Yeah,
understanding, and they're
yeah.
like, nahi bhai tu ja.
Thankfully, all the guys we were with, they were so nice and understanding about it. I mean,
I think
yeah.
now guys
Yeah,
understand.
yeah.
I probably if this would have happened to me 10 years ago when I was in school, I don't think I would have been open about it with guys.
I know.
And now I'm like, if I can do a summit on my second day of my period, I think I can do anything in life.
That's true.
That
That's
gives me
true.
a confidence.
Dude, that is
I
true.
keep telling her also कि Mihir के शादी के time she got her period and she wouldn't dance, and I'm like, we practice so much.
Yeah.
So I was motivating her
Yeah.
कि if I can like climb a fucking mountain,
Yeah.
you can go
And I
and dance.
immediately like thought, she's right. I need to get up. I need to, because this her situation was way worse than mine. I have a bed right now. I'm lying in a bed. I just need to get up, you know.
And move your body.
Yeah, I have meds, everything. I just need to, and this is a moment I don't want to ruin because of my period. You know, that is also one of the things. So I sucked it up, and it was a good dance.
It's a good dance. It was a good period dance.
I think we have the best topic coming up.
Huh?
It's mood swings and emotions. This needs to be addressed on a larger level. That how much our emotions or uh, the way we react to things is influenced by our hormones and our period cycles, and guys need to understand that our hormonal
Yes, please.
cycle is not as stable as theirs. We are sorry about it. There's nothing
No, we're
we
not
can-
sorry about
Yeah,
it.
I mean, what I mean is we can't help it.
We can't help it. It's a part of us.
What kind of a person you are on your period?
I am a different person in different phases of the month. Okay, so if
Yeah.
you guys don't know, there are 4 phases of a menstrual cycle.
Mhm.
The first one is the menstrual phase, which lasts for a week. For me, it is like 4 to 5 days. I'm super quiet. Like I want my space during my period. It's like if you talk to me, I am probably going to fight with you.
Yeah.
I'll probably cry a lot also, but I'm a lot better during my period. My worst time is before my period.
Yeah, and what's that phase?
That's luteal phase. So I'll go phase wise, okay?
Yeah,
So
okay.
first one is our menstrual phase. The second one after period is done is our follicular phase. The ovulatory phase is also
Oh,
a lot of times included in the follicular phase. So that's like around 1 to 2 weeks after our period. So that is like the most energetic
Oh.
I feel. And I think it's with everyone.
True.
Every woman is quite energetic and, very productive. Those 2 weeks are the most productive 2 weeks of our month.
That's all we got. Those 2 weeks are
Actually,
all
that's
we
all
got.
we've got. Like
Just
2 weeks
like-
we are amazing, 2 weeks we are just sad and depressed.
If you look at the math, we only have half
Half
the
month.
time that we live that we're in a good mood or like productive. What the hell?
Okay, yeah, and the fourth phase is our luteal phase, which is the worst for me. Like more than period, I think my luteal phase is horrible, horrible.
Horrible.
It's like no one talk to me. I have horrible food cravings.
Oh.
Like I eat so much. I cannot like work out during that time because I've lost my entire energy. And that entire time I'm only waiting for my period time to arrive because I know I will feel better once I get that blood going.
It is horrible.
I know.
The luteal phase is crazy, and I know I'm in my luteal phase when I start crying on stuff
Yes.
that is like so like usual. Like
There's no reason.
There's no reason
There is
for
no
it.
reason
Yeah.
why we cry.
So when I realize that I'm crying for nothing, I'm scrolling through reels, and there's some random reel, and I'll start crying, literally weeping.
I
Like
am also happy crying. I see
Yeah, happy
couples
crying.
getting married and
And
I
then-
cry.
it's not because it's not happening to us or something
Yeah,
like
no.
that.
It's
It's just yes, guys, you guys, yes,
Like it's just
what's
happy
happening.
tears.
Yeah, happy tears.
But there are tears
Yes.
going on.
And every time, like, I'm watching Modern Family, at the end of the episode, I'm weeping because I'm in my luteal phase.
But Modern Family ka end is also very emotional.
It is, but you don't have to.
Huh.
It's not like sobbing ending, right?
Yeah.
I
But
think-
how are you during your period time?
Nobody talked to me.
Yeah.
Like, don't even. On my first day, this world does not exist. At least for 6 hours, I will say. Like, not the entire 24 hour, but from the point when I get my period to like 6 hours time, do not touch me. Or loud noises and like wind and everything bothers me. Everything. And my boyfriend also asks me ki, when we live together in the future, what should I do to make you feel better on your first day? Because he knows like how much I
Yeah.
endure, right? So he asks me, I'm like, just be in the other
Yeah,
room.
just stay away.
Yeah. Yeah. That's the best you can do. I mean, I really
But
don't.
it's also like stay away but give me attention.
Huh. But those 6 hours, nothing.
Hmm.
I don't want attention. Also, like I'm like in my shell. But as a person, I think once those 6 hours are past, that pain part is past, and I become like this crazy awesome person. I'm like full of energy because I feel like I'm not gonna get my period ever again. Now this is done. Now I feel like you're done. Now go away and let me live my life.
Since we are on this topic, we can talk about cycle syncing. I watched these YouTube videos on cycle syncing last year and I was like, this makes so much sense because when I used to go to the gym last year, I would see these guys picking up heavy
Yeah.
every day.
Yeah.
And I felt so bad because like during my follicular phase, I would pick up like 7.5 kgs. Do you remember? I picked up 7.5 kgs.
Yes.
And then 2 weeks after, I wasn't even able to pick up 5 kgs. So I was like, is there something wrong with me? Like, why am I not able to pick things up?
Yeah.
Like,
But what does
gradually.
cycle syncing mean?
Cycle syncing is when you sync your cycle to the phases of your monthly cycle.
Oh,
Yeah.
I thought cycle syncing is when.
Two girls whoever I have spoken to and I've
हाँ.
asked them, they're like, अच्छा, is it like दो लड़कियों का cycle
when they-
sync होता है? नहीं, it is a legit thing where you work according to your cycle phases.
Oh.
You work out, you have your food according to your cycle.
Oh.
So this has actually been helping me, honestly.
Oh. I have heard of it, but do you practice this?
I started practicing this October-ish when I watched like a
Hmm.
lot of YouTube videos on this. It's like you divide your entire workout routine. So
Like-
for example, if
Like go heavy in the follicular phase
Yes.
and not so heavy in
Yes.
the luteal phase.
so it is recommended that you can do like high intensity strength, proper big strength training during your follicular and ovulation phase
Yes.
because that's highest energy.
Energy levels.
It's also like a lot of hormonal changes, but I'm not going to go
Yeah.
talk about
I don't
hormones.
think we should be the ones like telling
Uh-huh.
people about it rather
But
than
you can talk to your
professionals.
doctors.
Yeah.
A woman's body is so different than a man's body.
Yeah.
Like we have so many different hormones and we are not supposed to like work out linearly is what I have also experienced.
Mhm.
We need rest. Our
Yeah.
bodies need rest. she explained this cycle syncing in a very beautiful way, like seasons.
Oh, right.
So winter season is our menstrual season,
Uh-huh.
menstrual phase where
Yeah.
we are like hibernating and we are in that
Right,
cozy
right.
cozy wala
Ha, ha,
mode.
ha. Like
Then
everything is freezed.
like after winter comes spring, which is when we are like, oh, ready to bloom.
Mm-hmm.
So that's
Spring.
when our
Mhm.
follicular phase.
Correct.
Ovulation is like apne isme to we don't have spring, we directly have
Ha, ha,
summer.
ha.
Then comes autumn. Fall is like our luteal phase where we are actually falling and getting ready for winter.
Yeah. I've never tried it. Only recently heard of it, and I've heard that a lot of people have good things to say about it. Also, this is like a thing, right? All the medication when they're getting tested on humans. So those testings are done on particularly for male bodies, and females also use them. So not a lot of research is done on, what women's bodies need.
So I have a friend who is a nutritionist, right? So
Huh.
she recommends her clients to do like cycle syncing with her food. That's also great. There's also seed cycling.
Seed
Have you heard of
cycling,
seed
yes,
cycling?
yes, I
Yeah. So
have.
there are like particular seeds that are good to have during particular phases of your life, of your cycle. Right?
I hate seeds, so I'm probably never going to try that.
Also, I saw this thing where you can also cycle sync your work. So, you can plan your meetings or like important client meetings or where you have to actually go and present something
Mhm.
during the first 2 weeks, like during your energetic 2 weeks. And then all the planning phases wala thing, you can do it in the luteal and the menstrual phase. That has
Good
actually
idea.
been helping me. So since my work is like a lot of making content or painting and stuff, so what I like to do is because I'm like so not inspired during luteal and menstrual phase, I try to plan and ideate during those 2 weeks. And then the next 2 weeks are my execution weeks. That is when mostly I'm like, oh, chalo, आज ये video बनाते हैं. So in my last podcast, I was not okay recording that podcast because I was in
just
my
thinking
period.
that, today, that day, I was very like,
You're so energetic. You're
huh.
like, go, go,
And
go.
that's what I'm feeling about you today, because I was thinking exactly because you had your period on that day,
I
and
was
that very
dying.
day you had it, and that's why you were a little.
Cautious. Like I don't think I was speaking a lot in that video.
Yeah. So have you ever picked a fight with your boyfriend because you were PMSing, and how PMSing is real? Have you experienced that?
Yeah, so many times. I think every month I would just want to cry or fight without any reason.
Yeah,
Like I just wanted to create some drama. And then later on, once I like had my period, then I would realize that oh, this was for no reason.
Yeah. And sometimes while I'm doing it, I know I'm doing it because I'm PMSing. It's not lost on me. I know that this action is because of
That's
PMS.
evil.
But I can't help myself. I really, this is a thing that I want to get into a fight. Just get into a fight with me because my body needs it. He will always realize that it's PMS, or he won't engage into the fight so much. We need what we need. And also, let's talk about the food cravings. I think I have more in the luteal phase than
Yeah, same.
when I have my period. What kind of food do you like to eat?
In my luteal phase, I love munching on chips. I can also order like a burger or fries. I think I also text you if we can go to
Yeah,
McDonald's and eat something. I love eating cheesecake during that period. I love cheesecake.
I think one thing I'd like to add is for him, I think I'm a different person when I'm on my period. He's like tries to disengage a lot. He's there, like he cares a lot. Like I'm here for whatever you need, but like try not to get into a fight. He's very like
Aww,
watches where he's stepping.
so cute.
Oh, yeah,
Does he track your period?
yeah. Like track
Does
in
he
the
have
sense?
like a app to track your period?
Yes.
Aww, that's so cute.
It's for his own good. Do you feel ugly on your periods? Or
Yes.
hot or dangerous? What do you feel in terms of how you're looking?
I feel ugly. I shouldn't say this, but I feel very low and ugly about myself because I get acne during my period time. And I also have this bloating, so it's like I can't even wear good, tight clothes that I usually wear.
Yeah, even I think, back when I was physically going to the office, it was a big task for me. I used to take a day off on my first day of period, or if there was something important, it used to be very difficult for me to show up. So I am a lawyer, right? So we used to have court dates. So back then I was in litigation, used to practice law in courts. So we used to have court dates of a certain matters,
Mm-hmm.
and you cannot miss those dates, right? And especially when you are the go-to person, or somebody who has filed the wakalatnama on your name, so you have to be present. Because the period dates, for me at least, it's never like if I am expecting my period date to be on 21st, it's 50% it's going to be on 21st, but not like 100% of the times. It can be 22, 23, whatever. So I cannot say that I'm going to take an off 10 days in advance ki
Yeah.
I'm going to take an off on 21st, right? So it can be very fluctuating. So sometimes you have to show up at work. The remote work system has
Great.
helped out so much. Like, I don't feel a need to take a day off, as you know, as opposed to when I was physically going to work. It was like a need. Like, I couldn't walk, or maybe a lot of women go through this. Sometimes I feel that I'm also blessed because I've seen women who cannot put their foot
Yeah.
on the floor. Like, it's like they
Like it's
cannot move.
horrible for them. They have
Yeah.
horrible body ache, cramps. At least I don't have like insane painful cramps.
Yeah, I mean, I do have period pains, but they're bearable
Hmm.
to the extent that I can move around my house at least, or do my personal things. But
Yeah.
if you ask me to go to work, it's too much. Like, it's not that I'm making excuses, right? Some people think that, when
Yeah.
women are on their period and they don't want to go to work, it's just an excuse. So sometimes it may be not like 100% of women are making excuses. Maybe some of them are, but it's a genuine thing. Have your periods changed in your late 20s compared to when you were younger?
Oh, that's an interesting question.
Hmm. Hmm.
I think they have, in a way that, okay, I had PCOD.
Hmm.
So my periods were never on time. I had PCOD since 2015. They have only gotten better in the last 3 4 years, I feel.
Hmm.
And that's also because of the lifestyle changes that I have
Yeah.
made.
Yeah.
Our lifestyle was
We
horrible when
need
we
to
were
talk about
in
this. We need to talk about
when
this.
we were in our early 20s or like teenagers. Our
Hmm.
lifestyle was shit, at least mine was.
Yeah. Yeah.
But now that like I'm a lot more aware of the changes that I need to make, like health wise and work wise or whatever,
Yeah.
it has gotten a lot better. I don't have a lot of pain anymore.
Hmm. Hmm.
I
Hmm.
used to have horrible pain. I used to get horrible acne,
Hmm. Hmm.
like the cystic acne.
Yes.
I don't get those anymore. So
That's
touch wood.
great. I think strength training has been
Oh,
a game
definitely.
changer for your period date. You can actually write, at least I can write a bond. Like, I'm gonna get my period on this day, and I will get it if I'm doing strength training during the entire month, the last, like, preceding month. For I think couple of months or 3 4 months, I have got my period in 28 days. Like, not missed a single day. But since last couple of months, I haven't been able to do it because of my schedule. So again, my periods are 3 days later, two days late. I don't know. I
Hmm.
mean, when I'm gonna get it right. But when I'm doing my strength training, it's immaculate, like on time. Again, in my like early 20s, because of lifestyle and the food that we ate, because we were living away from home, it never came on time. And we have to talk about the scare of the period not coming on time. In my early 20s, I'm speaking about, if I wouldn't get my period on time, I used to freak out.
Yeah.
If something unnatural is happening, or maybe I'm not doing well. Or period
Hmm.
health is related to your overall health, I think, like your
Yeah, yeah,
reproductive health.
definitely.
If your periods are healthy, that is a sign that your body
Your
is
body is
healthy.
healthy.
I mean, you should not take it very like lightly. Your period health needs to be on top. Are you a pad person, or a tampon, or like a cup person?
I am a pad person. So I have been wanting to try tampon or menstrual cup, but I'm very scared. I am very scared. So a friend of mine uses menstrual cup, and she told me that just buy
Hmm.
a cup, keep it in front of you.
Hmm.
After 3 4 months, like that's what she did, because even she was scared of like putting something inside.
Yeah.
So, and now she loves it so much.
Hmm.
But the other thing is I'm also scared because it is silicone and my skin is super sensitive. So I don't know if it's going to suit me.
Yeah.
Coming to pad, I stopped using Whisper and Stay Free products because that started giving me rashes.
Oh, yeah.
So now I use from this brand called Nua, or I use Blush. They are these eco-friendly, they don't use plastic. I think I want to try period panty next.
Oh, really? I don't think I'll be comfortable.
A friend of mine tried that and she loves it now.
Really?
Yeah.
Like, what is it? Do you not wear any underwear? It's just that.
Yeah, it's like it's that's your panty basically.
Oh.
And it has like a thick cushion, so it basically absorbs the blood.
Okay.
I don't know how effective it is for blood clots because we sometimes do
Yeah,
get
yeah.
clots. I'm not sure about that, but I do want to try that because I think it's gonna be super comfortable.
Or is it a once like use and throw like
No,
a
it's
pad?
not a use and throw. You wash it.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, it's again like eco-friendly then.
Yeah, and I think you can use it for like a year or two, maybe.
Oh.
I've heard this brand called Mahina, and there's one more Nushu.
I've only used pads. I think there sometime 5-6 years back, Sanchit gifted me a cup. And he's like, use this because it's much more eco-friendly. But
Eco-friendly.
I don't know, on my first day at least, there's no way I'm going to insert something. But I'm very comfortable with pads, you know. I've started using panty liners, which are like, you know, so convenient.
So convenient. They're the
Yeah,
best
they're the
for
best.
traveling.
Yeah. These
Yeah,
days.
I used to use this thing called V-Wash.
Oh yeah, we wash.
I used that, and then I saw that it's really actually not good.
Really?
Yeah, it has a lot of like chemicals, and it's not good to put chemicals down there.
Yeah, that's true. That's
Yeah,
true.
so all you have to use is
Just
like
water.
lukewarm water. That's it. You don't even have to use apparently like fancy fragrance wale
Nothing of
soaps.
fragrance, nothing that has
Haan.
fragrance in it, you shouldn't use.
Those products have been marketed so well.
Yeah,
I
I know.
think I used V-Wash for like 2 years.
Oh, we got pushed into thinking that if you're not using that, then maybe
Maybe something
it's
is wrong
not
with you.
hygienic or it's not clean enough. Just
You don't need
wash
to do
it.
anything,
Yeah,
right?
it's not a
Just
very
basic.
fancy or elaborate
Haan.
thing, you know.
Do you take medicines if you have pain?
I have stopped taking medicines.
That's good. Don't.
I used to take two tablets, those
Meftal.
Meftal Spas tablets. Regularly, I used to do that. Then my period pain got even worse. I couldn't bear it. We kind of like get used to it,
Exactly.
eating that tablet. So now, even if I'm not working out, so working out is definitely help. But if I'm not working out, even though my period pain is contained, like it's not very bad, so I don't have to take a medicine
Yeah,
now.
even I try to like if it's worse, like I don't have a lot of pain. Like I don't have a lot of cramps. I only have like back pain. But if it's worse, I totally avoid taking medicine. I'm like, ठीक है, जितना I can tolerate, it's fine.
So one thing you wish men understood about periods.
Everything.
Yeah.
That's like a separate video.
Huh.
I wish they could understand the pain that we go through every month.
I mean, at least I only complain about my period pain to my boyfriend, right? I think he knows the gravity of it, or he's like, I'm so sorry.
You have to go through
Yeah,
this.
should I send you chocolates or some? He always asks me. I mean, guys these days they're not very unaware of these things. They know that women go
Yeah.
through this and they try to help, or they're very sentimental about it also, or empathetic.
It's very cute when they also send you something
Yeah.
like every month. They send you food. And
Yeah.
it's like just a nice gesture.
The only fact that I think they don't understand is things are out of our hands. I mean, sometimes guys think that we should be in control of our actions when we are on our period or on the luteal phase, right? So sometimes we burst out or we get extremely emotional on small things, or we get into fights without the intention. The only thing I want them to understand is because this is happening because of the hormones and not because we're evil or something. Right? I mean, this is happening.
But I also don't like the fact that, for example, if I'm angry, the other person will be like, "Oh, are you PMSing?"
Ha, ha, ha.
Like even though
Yeah,
I
don't
might be
assume.
PMSing,
Yeah.
and I do genuinely have an
Yeah.
issue with it. Like I might genuinely be angry about it.
That's so true, Isha. Oh my god. Like
Yeah,
if you're angry on your period, it could be genuine
yeah.
and it could be because of your period also.
PMS
So you
also.
have to
Yeah.
be very careful to understand if you don't take us seriously for if you don't take us
Hmm.
seriously when we are serious, then also we are offended. And if you do take us seriously for something you're not serious about, then also we are offended. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I hate when someone is like, "Who are you PMSing?" Like, please don't say
Yeah.
that. Please never say that.
Like growing up, right? Our fathers
Hmm.
or guys, we never talk to them about periods. So a very weird thing happened to me. So I go to badminton practice, right? So there are
Hmm.
like small kids there. Kids in the sense they're like seventh, eighth standard. Girls, they had their competition. So one of the girls, who's a really good friend of mine now, was on her period. Okay, so I went to see her match, and her father was also there. She's a great player, but she was not able to perform that day for some reason. So her father was just having a talk with me, and he told me that she's on her period, and I was like,
Oh.
wow, that's so. I mean, it hit me really hard because at least growing up, my father would never know, if I was on my period or
Hmm.
when is my period or if it's even a thing that I can't perform because of my period or that's what's happening. Felt really good to me, that fathers are taking so much more interest these days
Yeah,
in
that's
their
so nice. I've had the opposite experience because my dad is a doctor, so it has been very
uh,
open about like
right, right,
health stuff
yeah,
and period stuff.
yeah,
So,
yeah.
but it's very funny. Every month, my dad will know that I'm
On my
PMSing
period.
because of the way that I'm like cranky or I'm irritated,
Hmm.
and he'll just stay away. He's just basically saving himself.
Hmm.
So no one talks to me
Yeah,
during
but
my
that's what you
period.
want also.
Yeah, exactly. That's also what I want.
The only thing I want somebody to take out of this is start working out for your period.
Yeah.
Start
And
doing strength training. I think that's the only thing I want anybody to take out of this.
and focus on your period health. It is very, very important.
Health in general, but like period health is a signal that like your overall health is good.
I mean, I would suggest if your periods are late or even if they're like normal, just go check yourself once. Go to your gynac.
Okay, thank you guys. Let's meet for
We'll see you in the
another rant.
next rant session. Bye.